I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we are going to have some fun with square of numbers, and we'll also see how to write a number sentence to explain the pattern for the squares. So to begin with, we'll find square of these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is exercise for fun. I like you to participate and sketch along with me. When I say 1 square, it means 1 times 1, which is equals to 1. When I say 2 squares, it means 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. 3 square means 3 times 3, and that is equals to 9. 4 times 4, as you know, is 16. So 4 square is 16, right? That is one way of representing squares. Now let's take some marbles and think that these are our marbles. When I say 1 square, we just put 1 marble, and that is like 1 times 1. For 2 squares, we have 2 marbles in this form. So that becomes 2 square, right? So 2 squares, think about a square with length of 2 and width of 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and at every corner we have put these squares. Think like this. Okay, now you also see there is a pattern which is growing. So we had 1 dot here and we have 3 here like this, correct? So 3 square really means 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So rows and columns is another way of looking into multiplication. 3 times 3. So this time we are doing 3 times 3. So 3 rows and 3 columns. That gives you number 9, correct? And on this concept, we have 4 times 4 means 4 rows of 4 each, right? So 4 rows. So that is the second row of 4 marbles, right? Third row of 4 marbles, and the fourth row of 4 marbles, right? So we have 4 rows, 4 times 4. Correct. So that is how we got some pattern, right? Now what I'm going to do is we're going to draw some lines, and this time lines are drawing diagonally, kind of like this. Do you see that? So I'm drawing some lines diagonally, right? So kind of like this. Do you see that? Diagonal lines separating these marbles, right? And then we'll count these marbles and check the pattern which we get, right? So for 1 square, what pattern do we get? So 1 square, just the number 1. For 2 square, we get number 1 here, plus 2, plus 1. This is 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. Now for 3 square, we get the number 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. So plus 3 now. And then plus 2 and plus 1. So plus 2 and plus 1. For 4 square, we'll get 1, plus 2, plus 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And then plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, right? Plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. Do you see that? Now if you count, you get this as equals to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Yeah, you know the total number of marbles. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8, and 1, 9. And here we have 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, plus 2 is 15, and 1, 16. So we get exactly the same number. So that is the number sentence which we have written here, right? So we have a number sentence here. Number sentence for us is, I'm writing for 4. In fact, we can write for 5, right? Let me write number sentence for 5. What should it be? It should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus reverse, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. If you add them all, what will you get? You get number 25. Do you see that? So that is how a number sentence can be written for a perfect square and can be shown as I have shown in a diagram, right? So for you, the exercise is draw a pattern and write number sentence. For 6 square. Okay, so let this be an exercise for you. I hope you are enjoying. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Thank you and all the best.